Have you delayed your plans to buy a house because of how competitive the market was over the past few years? If so, hear this. Today's market is different. Here's a look at 3 trends that are good news for today's home buyers. Number 1, you have more homes to choose from. Since the same time last year, the number of homes for sale is up drastically. So finding what you're looking for today isn't nearly as hard as it would have been a year ago. Number 2, bidding wars have eased. In just 1 year, the average number of offers on a home dropped from 3.7 to 2.4. That means you face less intense competition from other buyers now. And number 3, you have more negotiation power. 92% of recent sellers negotiated with buyers on things like lower prices, home repairs, or even covering closing costs. With these 3 trends, you have something to get excited about. So, if you're ready to kick off the home buying process, let's talk.